Be honest for a moment. If I offered you $10,000 to stay off social media for the next 7 days, you would find a way to do it. So stop telling yourself you lack discipline, because the problem isn't discipline. The problem is that your brain has been trained to chase easy rewards. And after years of instant gratification, focus starts feeling impossible. Discipline starts feeling painful, and normal life starts feeling boring. The good news? Your brain learned this, which means it can unlearn it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to rewire your brain so discipline stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling natural. Step 1. The attention trap. Most people don't lack discipline. They simply try to focus with a brain that forgot how to stay still. You open Instagram. A few minutes later, you're on YouTube. Then you're back on Instagram. Your brain is constantly switching, always looking for something new. Somewhere along the way, your brain stopped valuing focus and started chasing novelty. Your brain follows a simple rule. What's the biggest reward I can get for the least amount of effort? That's why scrolling feels so effortless. But studying, working out, or building a skill requires effort before the reward arrives. So your brain naturally gravitates toward the easier option. Real progress happens when you stay with one thing long enough to enter a state of deep focus. They jump between 10 different things with 20% attention, then wonder why their life never changes. Step 2, the 10-minute rule. The moment you feel the urge to check your phone, you obey it. The moment something becomes difficult, you look for an escape. And over time, your impulses start controlling you. But here's what most people don't realize. Urges have an expiration date. The urge you feel right now won't feel the same 10 minutes from now. Most urges disappear if you simply refuse to feed them. So the next time you feel the urge to check your phone, don't act on it. Wait 10 minutes. That's it. Create distance between yourself and the urge. Because every time you resist an impulse, you strengthen your self-control. And this is where most people get stuck. They keep relying on willpower. But when distraction is only one tap away, willpower eventually loses. And that's exactly why I've been using Reset. Reset makes overcoming social media addiction super easy. Turn it on and every addictive app gets blocked. Instagram, TikTok, whatever distracts you the most. You don't need to rely on willpower anymore. And my favorite feature is that Reset will force you to be productive in order to earn your scrolling time. So instead of mindlessly opening social media whenever I'm bored, I actually have to earn it first. The app automatically tracks positive habits like walking, exercising, sleeping properly, and time away from my phone. As I complete those habits, I earn screen time back as a reward. So when I finally scroll, I've actually earned it, because doom scrolling is wasting hours of your life every single day. Hit the first link in the description or pinned comment, download Reset, and use code RelentX. Step 3, the easy choice. Most people are fighting the wrong battle. They think they need more motivation. They don't. They need a better environment, because your brain doesn't choose what's best. It chooses what's easiest. If your phone is sitting right next to you, you'll reach for your phone. If junk food is always within reach, you'll eat it. If distractions are convenient, your brain will choose distractions. That's why highly disciplined people aren't always more motivated. They simply make good decisions easier and bad decisions harder. Want to read more? Leave a book where you can see it. Want to spend less time on your phone? Stop keeping it next to you all day. The goal isn't to become stronger than every temptation. The goal is to make the right choice the easiest choice. That's how you trick your brain into liking discipline. Step 4, never miss twice. Most people overestimate what one day can do and underestimate what repeated days can do. One workout won't change your life. One study session won't make you smarter. One productive day won't make you successful. But repeated enough times, those actions become habits. And habits become your identity. That's why you should never miss twice. Missing one day is a mistake. Missing 2 days is the beginning of a new pattern. If you skip a workout, show up tomorrow. If you waste a day, win the next one. Because discipline isn't built when everything goes perfectly. It's built when you get back on track. Your brain wasn't born addicted to distraction. It was trained that way, which means it can be trained back. So use the 10-minute rule. Make discipline the easy choice, and never miss twice. And if you're serious about changing your life, comment "no excuses," Because your future isn't built by what you do once. It's built by what you repeat. Subscribe.